Never have I ever done my makeup to look good for a boy. As per what? No, I'm a premium babe. I cannot be. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having my never have I ever tag makeup edition. So guys, if this is your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notification, and also like this video. So guys, I have a couple of never advice listed on my phone and I'll be going through them. So the first one here is never have I ever done my brows with black pencil. Never. Like why would I do my brows? Well, I don't know, it's a thing for most people, but for me, I do not like it. Generally, I do not like dark brows. Like I like my brows looking very natural and light. So I don't use really dark pencils, or when I'm using, I don't really use really dark brown pencils, or even when I'm using them, I try to like shade in as slightly as possible. So never, I have never used black pencils. Never have I ever had another makeup artist do my makeup. Okay, yeah, I think I have, but it's just like one time, and that was in 2016. But other than that, I have never had like other than that one time, I've never had a professional artist do my makeup again. I always do my makeup by myself. I've never had like someone else do my makeup. Never have I ever slept with my makeup on. Never. I'm not even a fan of having makeup on my face for too long. Firstly, because I sweat a lot, like I sweat really hard, and I really do not like having makeup on my face for too long, and so I always want to like take it off as soon as I can. I don't want it to be there for so long. I just want to be done with it. Okay, never have I ever used skincare products. Guys, please do not judge me. I have never ever used skincare products, but hear me out. This is because firstly, I am broke. Like I am really broke, too broke to afford skincare products, and good skincare products cost a fortune. So that's that. I am really too broke to afford good skincare products. Secondly, have like a really I have a really good skin. I have a really nice skin, so I feel like most times I feel like I'm okay without actually using any of the skincare products. And then I drink a lot of water, okay? You know what they say about drinking water and having good skin. So yeah, water is my go-to skincare therapy. Never have I ever been in colored lashes. Never. I have never been in colored lashes, even though I actually fancy them. As a matter of fact, I think I should actually work on creating a look where I use colored lashes. Yeah, I'll definitely try and work on that. But for now, I have never ever been on colored lashes. Okay, never have I ever tattooed my brows. No, that's so gangster, that's so ghetto. I have never tattooed my brows. Never. Never have I ever shoplifted makeup products. Never. I've never shoplifted anything in my life. Now that I think of it, that sounds so boring, but I have never. Never have I ever posted a look that I didn't like. I think I have. I've posted a look that I did not like, but more so, there are a lot of looks that I didn't like that I didn't post. As a matter of fact, I did not bother keeping them on my phone. Immediately I watch the videos or I look at the pictures and I don't like them, straight I delete everything. So yeah, why there are some pictures that made it to the gram or made it to social media, even though I didn't like them, there are even more that never made it to the gram because I never liked them. I never liked the look. Never have I ever done a look that stressed me. Oh wow, I have done a couple of looks that stressed me, especially when I go on Instagram and I see some of my faves and I see certain looks and I'm like, oh, I want to recreate this look, and it might look easy at first. Like I look at it and I'm like, it's not to just cut the crease like this, do this one like this, do that one like that. And I'm like, it's easy now, this thing is small something. And I would try it and it's way more complicated than I actually thought. So there are times that I have done looks that stressed me. I have done looks. As a matter of fact, it's those looks that you even see and you're like, this one go hard oh. Those are the ones that are actually like pretty easy for you to do. But sometimes when you see certain looks and you're like, what's there? I beg, I'll chest it. Where those looks will frustrate you. I have done a couple of looks that actually stressed me. Never ever hyped a brand that I didn't like. I have. I have hyped brands that I didn't like. I have even hyped brands that I have never used. Like I've never used any of their products, but possibly I have heard like a couple of other makeup artists talk about the brand. Like probably they've used their products and they're like, oh, this brand is good, that brand is good, and probably somebody asked me a question regarding that brand, but I've never used their product and I'm like, well, I've heard good reviews, so what's there? Let me just let me just give the reviews that I've heard now. So I have actually hyped brands that I didn't like, and I've actually hyped brands that I've never even used their products if. Never have I ever bought makeup in my last cash. Oh god. Oh god. I have. As a matter of fact, the only reason I'm not a house owner or land owner right now is because I'm using all my money to buy food and makeup. I am addicted to buying makeup. I need somebody that will actually save me from this addiction. I can just say, okay, I can just be like, I have too many eyeshadow palettes, I'm not buying anymore. And I will go on Instagram and I will see one really fine palette and I'll be like, just this one. Let me just buy this one. After I finish buying this one, I will not buy anyone again. Yeah, tomorrow I'll still see another one and I'll still buy. I'm actually addicted to buying makeup, and I have used my last money to buy makeup a couple of times. Like in fact, all the time. I am always buying makeup with my last money because I'm always seeing something that is entering my eye and I will still go and buy it. I need to be saved. Never ever adapted my makeup skills. Okay, this one is a bit emotional for me, but I have a lot of the time. Like I have adapted, especially times when I create a look and it didn't come out as expected. I just adapting. Like guys, just say person no go find another passion like this. Like, or sometimes you go on Instagram and you like, sometimes when you go on Instagram, I don't know, you just see some looks and you're like, guy, people are creating, see flawless skin now, see eyeshadow game like it's baddest, and there's this self-doubt within, and you're like, that's why to go and look for another thing that I can have passion in, like my selling point, my market point is not, my selling point is not inside this one, that kind of thing. So yeah, there are a lot of times I've actually adapted myself, but just know that I just have to know that every day is an opportunity to improve. Every day I have the chance of being better than I was yesterday. So that is what usually just gets me out of that self-doubt that I find myself in most time. Never have I ever done my makeup to look good for a boy. As per I don't understand. As per, you don't know I'm a spec or what? Like, you don't know I'm a premium chick or what? I am a premium babe. I cannot be doing makeup to impress boy now. Okay, jokes apart, I don't think, I have never actually done my makeup to impress a guy. And see, this is not my pride actually speaking, I'm just being sincere. I've actually never done that. Firstly, because when it comes to makeup, I'm actually a very lazy person. Like, I'm actually very lazy to do my makeup. I only do my makeup when I'm in the mood, like have a really special emphasis on special occasion to attend, or I really just want to shoot a video. Like I want to do a video and those are the only times I ever do my makeup. And I take it off like when I'm shooting. After shooting, I usually just take off my makeup immediately, so I don't keep them. So most times when I'm meeting people for the first time, I'm like, let them see the bare face, so because this is something they will always see, because I'm always barefaced like most of the time. So never done my makeup to impress a guy. Never. Never ever lost a favorite makeup item. Oh, I have. I've lost a favorite brush and a favorite lip stain. Um, the favorite lipstick was even the one that pained me the most, because I actually loved that lipstick a lot. As a matter of fact, people that knew me then would probably, if they probably wanted to describe me then, they'll be like, oh, do you know this girl that's always on so and so kind of lipstick and that kind of thing, because I was always wearing that lipstick, always. And somebody came to visit me and the lipstick went missing. I'm not saying I'm not saying that the person stole it or the person took it, but I'm just saying that after the person left, that was when I noticed that the lipstick was missing. I'm not saying anything. Okay, that was it. So the last question is, never have I ever wore bold or weird lip colors. I have. I've worn blue and black lip colors. That might be normal for a lot of persons, but I feel like it's weird to some persons. So yes, I have worn weird lip colors. Okay guys, this is all for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've not yet done that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on my post notification, and do not forget to like this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.